I'm Missy, the co-owner of Yummy Yoni Pearls. This brief presentation is to give you all the information that you need to start your womb detox journey. Yummy Yoni Pearls are a blend of herbs that detoxify your womb and reset your natural balance. It also removes bacteria, parasites, toxins, dead vaginal skin cells and tissue, as well as mucus, yeast, and old blood clots. Why should you detox your vagina? Although the vagina is self-cleansing, it must be functioning in optimum health in order to cleanse itself. If it were in optimum health, we wouldn't suffer from BV, we wouldn't suffer from yeast infections or other vaginal ailments. Who can use the Yummy Yoni Pearls? Any woman born a female between the ages of 18 and 65 can use the Yummy Yoni Pearls. However, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding or a virgin, you cannot use the Yummy Yoni Pearls. What are the side effects of the Yummy Yoni Pearls? The side effects include itching, watery discharge, spotting, and light cramps. Are the Yummy Yoni Pearls dangerous? With proper usage, this detox isn't harmful. Here are a few tips for a successful detox journey. Make sure that you're drinking the recommended amount of water every day, and make sure you follow all the directions listed on the website as well as in the packaging. What if nothing comes out during my detox? Did I do something wrong? 9 times out of 10 during your detox journey, if you didn't expel anything, you just didn't have your pearls inserted deep enough. The pearl should be at least inserted 7 centimeters deep, as close to the cervix as possible. You can purchase your Yummy Yoni Pearls at yummyyonipearls.net. You can also see a list of the ingredients as well as what each herb does for the vagina. Thank you for your interest in vaginal detoxing, and I hope that you were able to learn a lot during this presentation. I also encourage you to go get a copy of the Yoniverse, which is available on ebook at yummyyonipearls.net, and it's also available at youngblackandmarried.net with all our other books and ebooks and digital downloads.